Two of the biggest names in online course platforms, Thinkific and Kajabi. Which one really delivers? On the left, Thinkific, powerful course creation and unlimited potential. And on the right, Kajabi, the all-in-one business growth engine. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real differences you care about. Each category earns points, so by the end, you'll know exactly which platform comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Here's the lay of the land. I've mapped out all the categories we'll compare these two giants on: price, features and course creation, marketing and sales tools, website and customization, learning experience, integrations, and then support and community. That's basically everything you need if you're serious about selling courses in 2025. All right, let's kick off with price, because seriously, who isn't thinking about their wallet first? Thinkific starts out at $49 a month, which honestly feels pretty reasonable, especially for solo creators or side hustlers. There's 0% transaction fees on every plan, which, yeah, that's a huge win if you're scaling up. But just a heads up, if you want advanced reporting or a built-in community, those are extras, so lower tier plans can feel a bit restrictive. Now, Kajabi comes in higher, starting at $89 a month. That includes almost everything you might need, and you still don't pay transaction fees, so at least there's that. The catch? Kajabi starts feeling limiting if you're managing a ton of courses or students. There are caps per plan. If budget is your thing, Thinkific honestly wins this round. Moving into features and course creation. Okay, here's what's cool about Thinkific. They give you a super advanced course builder. You can set up all kinds of lessons, slides, quizzes, assignments, just name it. Plus, you get unlimited students and courses, even on lower tiers. But if you want email marketing funnels, Thinkific's not the guy. It leans hard on integrations. Their website builder, kinda basic. Flip side, Kajabi is like your all-in-one dashboard. Everything's bundled together. Courses, memberships, coaching, and you even get templates for almost any scenario. There's a dedicated mobile app for students, which is pretty slick. Just, if you want complex course formats or custom learning flows, Kajabi's not quite as flexible as Thinkific. So, for pure course creation power, Thinkific takes the edge here. Next up, marketing and sales tools. This is where so many platforms drop the ball. But let's see. Thinkific mostly wants you to plug into third-party marketing apps like MailChimp or ConvertKit. That gives you flexibility, but honestly, it's kinda DIY, and no native email or automated funnels. Definitely more manual work if you aren't already deep into integrations. Kajabi, on the other hand, is basically a marketing powerhouse. You get built-in landing pages, email campaigns, automations, entire sales pipelines. In fact, you never have to leave Kajabi to run your marketing. Every plan has solid analytics, so you actually see what's going on. Downside, you're locked into Kajabi's ecosystem. Fewer external integrations, sure, but for most people, Kajabi's marketing suite wins by a mile. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Both Thinkific and Kajabi keep your profits yours, with 0% transaction fees across all plans. So no hidden cuts, just straight-up earnings no matter which you pick. All right, let's talk about websites and customization. With Thinkific, you do get custom pages and a handful of homepage templates. It works, but honestly, it's kind of vanilla. There's zero blog support, and design options are, well, basic at best. Kajabi really flexes here. There's a full-on professional site builder, a blog feature, seamless tie-ins to your sales funnels and CRM. You can pick from gorgeous templates, and everything just flows. If you want crazy customization outside of their templates, it's not perfect, but compared to Thinkific, Kajabi looks pretty pro. So, in terms of website pizzazz, Kajabi takes this one easily. Let's slide into the actual learning experience, the LMS stuff. Okay, Thinkific absolutely shines if you care about real educational depth. Exams, long-form quizzes, assignments, you name it. Live sessions? You can plug those in with integrations. If you want quality and real assessment tools, this feels kinda awesome. But community features are locked to the higher plans. So if you want group action, keep that in mind. Kajabi is more about having the bells and whistles for everything. Communities, coaching, live events, the mobile app. It's spacious and interactive. But honestly, their classroom tools are more like, here's some content, let's keep it simple, not as robust for teaching. Learning first, folks, Thinkific steals it for LMS. Let's talk integrations and how extensible each platform feels. Thinkific is honestly a plugin paradise. Over 90 integrations. You can hook up almost any app you're already using, and it's super easy to connect things for email, sales, operations, you name it. The catch? They sort of rely on these integrations for core business stuff. Nothing really built in. Now, Kajabi flips the script. Most business functions are just baked into the platform by default. Fewer integrations, definitely, which means your workflow is all Kajabi all day. If you love plugging outside apps in and building your dream stack, Thinkific is hands down the winner. Lastly, let's chat about support and community. Thinkific gives you guides, email support, and a growing library of how-tos. Solid for getting unstuck, but if you want instant answers, like live chat or phone, those are kinda rare. Kajabi, the rep is strong. They're known for great customer support across all their plans, and their community is very active, though it's more of a forum setup. For creators who want that always-on support, Kajabi comes out ahead. If you lay out all these categories visually, you'll see each platform spikes in different areas. Thinkific really owns the learning and integration fronts, while Kajabi dominates on marketing, website building, and overall business support. Kinda depends what you value, right? All right, here's the bottom line. If you're laser-focused on educational quality, unlimited courses, and budget, Thinkific's calling your name. If you want an all-in-one business hub and hate dealing with third-party integrations, Kajabi's your engine. So, learning first creators, honestly, Thinkific. Growth-focused entrepreneurs chasing tools and support, Kajabi. Choose what moves you. So, hey, if this chart helped clear things up, bookmark it and keep coming back whenever you need a refresher. Your journey in online course creation is about to get way smoother. Trust me.